let me share you my master project, Impact of Forest Exploitation on Ground-Dwelling Ants in a New Protected Area, Andry. This new protected area, Andry, is an important site in terms of conservation in the eastern coast of Madagascar, because it's a relic of primary forest, and then it's an important research site with high potentiality of ecotourism. But since its creation, this site faces problematics as illicit logging, charcoal making, and slash and burn. So all of those practices threaten the biodiversity and lead to the forest fragment. So the goal of this study is to compare the ground-dwelling ants composition in this new protected area in order to assess the effect of forest exploitation, and at the end put the outcomes of this study available for decision maker to aware local community and promote this site. As methodology, the fieldwork was conducted in three types of habitat: forest fragment, regrowth forest, and undisturbed forest. This forest fragment is an isolated habitat surrounded by an open area and bare ground. And this regrowth forest is a former site of charcoal making and logging. And then the last one, the undisturbed forest, is the core forest or the continuous forest. For the data collection, we use the standardized method called ants of leaf litter method. This method consisted to combine pitfall trapping and litter sifting. As a result, the inventory yielded 36 species of ants belonging to 6 subfamily. The first plot shown us that the lower number of species was recorded in the forest fragment, and the highest number of species was recorded in the undisturbed forest. And at the second plot, we can see that the overall specimen collected was dominated by the myrmicine subfamily, especially by the generalist ant Phaedoli. And on the last plot, based on similarity analysis, we can see that the forest fragment was really different in terms of species composition compared to regrowth forest and the undisturbed forest. To end my presentation, we can conclude that the new protected area Andry is rich in terms of ant species, and then all of those habitat deserve to be conserved because they play a role of shelter of their own biodiversity, and we would emphasize on the importance to keep the core forest undisturbed because it plays a role of species a reservoir. That's all my presentation, dear audience. Thank you.